Hello guys, how are you doing? Good? Great, I'm great. I'm glad to present this video for you. Now we are going to present the activities for this week. Remember that we are going to work with the shaping and language, the fourth graders, the term number 1 and the week number 1. So we are going to go with the page 24. Yes? And for example, you are going to go to your awesome reader and writer and look for the reading at the beginning of the word. Also, you are going to find this with the audio file in the platform. Yep. So you go after reading this little text, you're going to match the word with its meaning. So you're going to tell me what is vein. What is the definition of vein? Is A, B, C, D, E, or F? Tell me which one. What means myths? What means siblings? What means bronze, throne, and battle? Good. That is the way. So in class here we are going to go with the point number 2. So how was the word created? Brainstorm 3 fantastic ideas in the following graphic organizers. So on each one of these charts you are going to describe one important or fantastic idea about the origin of the word. So we continue with the page 25 and you go to the point number 3. So you go to choose the correct character from the box. So who is Uranus' wife? What is the name of Uranus' wife? Tell me what is the name of the Uranus' wife? Yep. What is the goddess of love? Which one? Which one is the smartest of the Titans? And who is the Rhea and Kronos' son? Who is the powerful and Gaian gods? Yep, and who is the Titan leader and brother of Prometheus? Which one is Kronos' wife? And which one is the god of the sky? Good. Then you go to the point number 5 and write the sentences using the given words. So according to the definition of vein, that you already did it here. Good. You go to the point number 5 and you are going to make a sentence, create a sentence. Remember to use the subject or the pronouns, the verbs and the complements that are the different words of this. Good. Then you go to the point number 26, the page number 26, and you go to this, the point number 2. Find and circle the sequence words in each sentence. According to the topic of a sequence that we are going to watch in class and doing different things, which one is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and ninth, you're going to decide. Circle the sequence word. Yep. For example, just one example in the first one. The first planet in our solar system is Mercury. So the sequence word is first. Yep. So tell me which one is the sequence word here and then. Yep. You go to the page 27 and you go to the language key and we are going to go sequencing. It refers to putting things, events, or actions in order. Some sequence words are first, next, last, and then. Ordinal numbers tell the position of item placed in order. Yes, the items placed in order have, for example, first, second, third. Good. Then you go to the point number 4. Fill in each blank with the correct term from the box. So you're going to use one of these concepts and you are going to apply or to assign or to indicate on each one of these lines. What is the correct one for our is made up of 8 planets that orbit the sun. Good. Perfect. Then in the point number 5, you go to use ordinal numbers to indicate the order of the planets according to their distance from the sun. So remember that the ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Good. So which one is the first? From the sun on to the last planet. Good? Perfect, good. So you go to the point number 1 on page 28. That is, the following text is missing 3 sets of quotation marks. So what is quotation marks? So you go to this part, to this chart that's called quotation marks have different uses in English, but one of the most common is the direct speech. There are quotation marks show the exact words from the spoken. For example, they are the quotation mark here and here. Yep, quotation mark. They will help you win. Quotation mark. Said Gaia. So be sure to use a comma to separate the quote from the name of the person who is being quoted. Good. So you are going to read it and tell me. There are 3 sets of quotation marks. They are missed. Good, and then you go to the point number 2. Answer the questions in complete sentences. So you are going to tell me what does the myth explain, this myth, and what lessons that it teach, and describe Orion. Good. Then you go to the point number 3 on page 29 and complete the chart. Choose the question from the box and give a scientific explanation of a possible myth to explain the event. Follow the example. So we have different words and questions here, and you are going to describe the possible events or scientific events. Good. Then, and the final part, you go to the page 30 and you go to the point number 1 on page 30. Listen and complete the profiles. So you are going to listen to the audio file Greek gods. So tell me, who is Hermes? Who is Aphrodite? Who is Apollo? Who is Athena? Yep. So tell me according to this audio file to complete these different ideas. Then, and finally, you go to the page 31 and you are going to go with this. For example, you work in teams. Number 3, you work in teams of 4 and invent a mythological god of goddess. Complete the chart and draw a picture of him or her. So you are going to design, you are going to imagine a god or goddess. You're going to give it or give her or give him a name. The god or goddess of what? What is the environment? What is the field? Yep. The physical appearance is tall, is short, is small, is long, fat, thin, whatever you want. And the superpowers. He, it, she can fly, cannot, can be invisible. Yep. So main flaws, the different things, different characters, different objects that and aspects that he or she or it can do. Good, so you're going to decide it here. And how can you draw it? Yep, you try to use colors or something like this. Good, guys. They are the most important things that we are going to do during this week. Okay, guys, remember to ask if you have any kind of questions. And at the end of this week, we are going to do this test yourself. Yep, but there is going to be in class. Good, guys. See you. Bye bye.